Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Zengo wallet. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. On the app, tap on continue. In order to log into the Zengo account, first of all, you need to have created your account before. If you haven't, you can follow the same process and you will be creating a new account. If you have created your account already, you can enter the same registered email over here. Tap on email and enter your email address. After that, tap on this continue button. Zengo will send you the verification link in your email. So open the email from Zengo, tap on this confirmation button. You can follow all the instructions and then you will be successfully logged into your account. You can now start managing your cryptocurrency with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.